As we head into the winter months, you might be looking around your garden and asking, now what do I do with all of these plants? Well, if you have any annuals, you want to go ahead and remove those from your garden and add them into your compost pile. If you have any plant material that's infested or has diseases, again, you want to remove that from your garden now to prevent the potential risk of it spreading to new plants next season. Other than that, for the most part, you really don't need to mess with any of your other plants until late winter and early spring, when several of them will get cut back. Leaving the dead vegetation actually helps protect the roots through the winter months, as well as add new dimension to the landscape when it can kind of be dreary. It also helps provide shelter to our wildlife.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.